2011 Hyundai Genesis, 4-door. This is what it sounds like if you had it straight pipe somewhere else. And this is what it sounds like. We're gonna let you guys hear it, and then we're gonna put Magnapacks on it. Go ahead. Again. Again. There's sound decibels on it. Go ahead. Again. 117. One more. I think it sounds good, but you know, to each their own. So this is what it looks like before we put the Magnapacks in. Still got factory converters there, then 2 1/4 pipe, 2 more secondary cats right there and right there. Then he did a muffler delete. I don't know where he took it, but the pipe is not that good of a quality. So we're gonna cut these out and put the Magnapacks right there. They always sound the best in the middle. Then it continues 2 1/4 all the way back on this side. And then the same kind of pipe on this side, so it's really rusted. We'll get that taken care of there and there. And then you got factory tips that they reused right there and right there. So we'll let you guys see it after we do the Magnapack on it. And it's a Hyundai Genesis 4.6 liter V8. So it should sound really nice once it's done. We'll let you guys hear it. So we showed you guys before what it sounded like with the straight pipes. It's a 2011 Hyundai Genesis. So we added the Magnapacks, part number 10415. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then it's got the 2 1/4 pipe, secondary converters there. Then we put 2 shiny, beautiful MAGNAFLOW Magnapacks. One on each side, right there and right there. Part number 10415. We'll put a link in the description if you guys want to purchase it. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, straight out the back. These muffler deletes been done by somewhere else. And this is the difference between good pipe and cheap pipe. It rusts a lot faster. And then he left the original tips, just reused them there and there. It's a Hyundai Genesis 4.6 liter V8. When it was straight pipe, it reached 117 on the sound decibels. So we'll let you guys hear it now and show you what a difference these Magnapacks do. Much better. It's a lot cleaner sound now, as you guys can see. Look at the difference in sound decibels. Go ahead. So it peaked at like 109. It brought it down about 10 to 12 decibels, which is not bad at all. From 117 to 107, 110. And it's a lot quieter at idle too now, as you guys can hear. A lot quieter. Still sounds good though. Hyundai Genesis, baby. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. Leave us a subscribe, please, and hit that like button if you like that sound. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Hell yeah! All right, you can leave now. Okay, no, go that way. You guys going back up here or the freeway?
Going up that way.
Yeah, just go through there.
I'm gonna get on the gravel before I get on the car.
Yeah. Genesis. He said he's gonna go beast mode. Let's see.